They say after 70, the body just winds down. You've probably heard that. Smaller muscles, slower steps, nothing to do but accept it. Here's the truth. Getting older is automatic. Losing strength isn't. Your legs are wonderfully trainable at any age, even 90. Exercise matters, and the food you choose can flip your body back into rebuild mode. Tucked away in rural Japan, researchers revisiting old food traditions found something unexpected inside tiny seeds. A set of proteins and nutrients that seemed to wake up sleepy muscles in older adults. It sounded like folklore until lab results kept pointing the same way. Today, I'll walk you through 6 everyday seeds and how to use them to support stronger legs, steadier balance, and better energy without powders or complicated routines. The third seed has even earned the nickname nature's creatine for how it helps reactivate muscle. If you could feel as steady as you did 30 years ago, would you take that chance? Tell me in the comments. Drop your age and where you're watching from. Make a soft fist and hold for 10 seconds. How firm does it feel? Now use a sturdy chair. Stand up and sit down once without using your hands. These aren't tests. They are checkpoints we'll repeat in a few weeks to notice progress. Let's begin with sunflower seeds. Forget the ballpark snack image. Sunflower kernels are naturally protein-dense and carry vitamin E that helps shield muscle cell membranes from daily wear. They also bring arginine, an amino acid tied to healthy blood flow. Better flow means oxygen and nutrients reach working muscle when you need them. A small daily portion has been linked to better grip strength in older adults, a simple marker that often tracks with independence. Soak the seeds overnight in lightly salted water, then rinse to make proteins and minerals easier to use. Eat them plain, lightly low-roasted, or blended into sunflower butter. Pair them with vitamin C foods like bell pepper or citrus to support connective tissue. A small handful within 30 to 60 minutes after activity can nudge repair. Sesame seeds and tahini come next. Sesame brings quality protein and a standout dose of methionine, the essential amino acid that is often the limiting piece in plant proteins and matters more with age. Its lignans and mineral bundle, calcium, magnesium, iron, support contraction and recovery. Many people find that a small daily portion of tahini helps recovery time and supports healthy hormone balance. Lightly toast whole seeds for 2 to 3 minutes to boost aroma and digestibility. Whisk tahini with lemon, garlic, and water for a creamy dressing. Then spoon it onto fish, beans, or roasted vegetables. Evening use pairs well with magnesium and often brings calmer muscles and better sleep, which is prime time for repair. Flaxseed follows for a calm foundation. Flax carries plant omega-3s that support a lower inflammation environment. That's good news for stiff knees and sore calves. Its protein includes arginine and glutamine, helpful as needs rise with age. Lignans and fiber support insulin sensitivity and gut health, 2 quiet drivers of muscle maintenance. Grind it. Whole seeds pass through. Add 2 tablespoons of freshly ground flax to oats, yogurt, or smoothies. Combine it with kefir or fermented yogurt for a gut-friendly boost that can make the protein more available. It's a great morning add-in for steady energy and fewer sugar swings. Now to the green hero many people overlook. Pumpkin seeds, also called pepitas, bring complete protein with all 9 essential amino acids. They deliver standout magnesium and zinc, 2 minerals many older adults miss, yet are central to muscle protein synthesis and repair. Some research points to pumpkin seed proteins and compounds that reduce next-day soreness. That lets you move more often, which is exactly what older muscle needs. Their amino profile is unusually balanced, and the tryptophan content can support deeper sleep. The window where growth hormone pulses and tissues rebuild. Soak pepitas for 8 to 10 hours, then low roast at about 75 degrees Celsius to keep delicate nutrients intact. Sprinkle them on soups, salads, or yogurt, or blend a pepita pesto with herbs and lemon. A small serving mid-afternoon can even out energy. A spoonful before bed can feed slow, overnight repair. This is the seed many call nature's creatine. Hemp hearts come in as a gentle powerhouse. Whole hemp seed offers complete protein with excellent digestibility and a naturally balanced omega-6 to omega-3 pattern that supports calm recovery. They are rich in edestin, a globular protein your body recognizes easily, and they carry ample leucine, the amino signal that flips muscle-building pathways back on when anabolic resistance creeps up with age. Many people notice steadier joints and less post-walk ache when hemp becomes a daily habit. Sprinkle 3 to 4 tablespoons across meals on eggs, salads, soup, or smoothies. Stir them into oats or cottage cheese for a creamy texture and a bigger protein punch. They are an ideal option if you don't tolerate dairy proteins. Chia seeds finish the list with a smart hydration trick. Chia carries complete plant protein. When soaked, it forms a gentle gel that slows digestion and releases amino acids over hours. That is useful when older bodies don't love big protein boluses. The gel also supports cell hydration, helping muscles feel fuller and function more smoothly. Chia is naturally leucine-rich for a plant food, and many older adults find it kind to digestion while it quietly feeds strength work. For breakfast, combine 2 tablespoons of chia with a cup of milk or fortified soy and a dash of vanilla and cinnamon. Then refrigerate overnight. You can also stir dry chia into yogurt or smoothies and let it thicken as it sits. It's a steady pre-walk option for sustained energy. Here's a simple 7-day starter to put this into motion. Begin mornings with overnight chia or a bowl of oats mixed with ground flax and a handful of berries. At lunch, top salads or soups with pepitas and hemp hearts. Then add a tahini lemon drizzle. After activity, reach for a small handful of sunflower seeds or a slice of whole grain bread with sunflower butter. Keep evenings light with vegetables and a protein, and use tahini sauce for flavor. If you like, take a spoon of pepitas before bed to support slow repair. Keep a water bottle visible and take gentle sips through the afternoon. Stack tiny movements onto meals so the signal turns on. After breakfast, do 10 heel raises at the counter. Mid-afternoon, do 5 sit-to-stands. During evening TV, do ankle pumps and toe lifts. Food fuels. Movement tells your muscles what to do with that fuel. A few quick answers help most people start. You don't need all 6 seeds every day. Pick 2 or 3 and rotate. Flax must be ground. Chia is best soaked. The others can be soaked or low roasted. If your digestion is sensitive, begin with hemp and soak chia. Then add small amounts of the others. If you manage diabetes, pair seeds with protein and vegetables. They are naturally low glycemic, but portions still count. If you use blood thinners or have kidney concerns, review portions with your clinician. Real-world momentum builds fast. Irene, 78, started chia for breakfast and added heel raises. Her first steps in the morning feel steadier. Marco, 73, used pepitas in the afternoon and tahini in the evening. He noticed less thigh ache the day after stairs. June, 81, began sprinkling hemp on soups and salads. She now holds groceries without stopping to rest. Which story feels like you? And what will your day 1 look like? Here is your 24-hour kickstart. Choose one breakfast tomorrow, a chia bowl or oats with ground flax. Add 2 tablespoons of hemp to lunch. Keep sunflower seeds ready for a post-walk snack. In the morning, redo the fist hold and a single sit-to-stand, then write 1 line about how it felt. Comment day 1 when you begin. I read and often reply. This video is educational and not a substitute for personal medical advice. Please consult your healthcare provider about diet changes, portions, and any medication interactions. If this helped, subscribe and share to help others.